Welcome back to my channel, my ladies, women, aunties, cousins, friends, families, girls. Welcome back. Today we are going to learn how to tie this Sego Gele for our parties, for our anniversary, for wedding, for church, for any occasion. This gele is so unique, and I will show you how to easily style it and look classy. I want to thank all those that have subscribed to my channel. Thank you so much. I love you. Keep encouraging me. And for those who are still hesitating to subscribe, think about it, subscribe, and you will learn how to dress elegantly, style your gele elegantly to any parties. So let's start with the edge here for today. This is my Sego. I just locate the middle. It's long, so I just locate the middle and place it on my head. So I place it on my head and then I tuck it in this way. And then I want to make at least 3 pleats. For beginners, I always encourage that you make 3 pleats, which is easy. It will still make you look classy, so you don't have to go for 5 or 6. Just take 3 pleats that is easy for you to handle and just bring it down, pull, and make the 3 pleats. You see? So when you finish making the 3 pleats, always make sure that the one at the ear, the last 3 overlap around your ear. Do you see? It's overlay like that. And you pick it and you make it overlay right here at the ear. And when you make it overlay like that, you just pull it down. And that's make your 3 pleats. But maintain the overlay at your ear. See? This. See? This. Okay? So when you do that, I want my gele to have a V shape. So what do? I slant it. Okay? Tight like that. And I come to the back and secure a knot. Because I wanted to have a V shape here at the front. And I'm still maintaining my 3 pleats. Okay? So with that, you just bring the one across. So I just bring it. You see? And then you make another 3 pleats. Two, and then the third one, just pull it down and make the 3rd pleat. You see the 3 pleats, and I make sure it's come all over from my ear, from my ear, from my ear, and that's it. But when you want to secure this one, you secure it with a pin. So I secure it down with a pin. And we still have this V shape. My hair is showing, so. Okay. So thereafter, what is next? Is how to style. I'm just maintaining the 3 pleats. Is how to style this arm. You bring the next one, bring it under, and then you just make some pleats. Just bring it like this, pick it, pick it. Just pick, just pick, just pick, don't worry. And then bring it all over to your head. And when you do it, this one also, just make as many pleats as you can. Just, do you see the pleat that I'm making? Just right here. It doesn't have to be exact because we will still arrange it later. So I'm just leaving the pleats for now. So this, just One time, just one time. Just, and then you come back and lay this one, and then just lay it. You see? And when you finish laying it like that, secure with a pin. I hope you are not missing the step. How many pins have I used so far? Can someone tell me? So, always make sure the right side is. As you are going, don't be in a hurry. Make sure you secure your pleats very well. Make sure it's well pleated, like my own. Yeah, so you just come here for the hand. Just, you see what I did? Just that way. And what do we do with this hand? Who can tell me what I'm going to do with this hand? Huh? I use another pin and I secure it. We're secure. We're secure. Just be looking. And for this, you leave it. You see this one? You bring it up. And you can do like this if you want your hair gel to be flying, but I want it to have like a third slit here. Just leave this one out of the way. This one. So I just take this edge and what do? I bring it in here. Do you see what I just did? Okay. And secure it. So for this one, fly, fly. Like it? We can leave this like this, right? So what do I do with this one? Same thing, just bring it in. But what I will do, I want it to have a knot. So I'll just tie this together. This hand, these two hands. I just make like a knot. Just a tiny knot, just a knot. Like that. Can you see? Just a knot. So after making that knot, I push this in. Do you see what I try to achieve? Do you see it? I'm loving it. Are you? Are you loving it too? You see? You see? You see it? And secure. So once you secure like that, now we have to arrange our pleats. 1, 2, 3, and this side. See your 1, 2, 3 pleats. Oh, okay. And you see this? Just arrange. So now that we've secured, we can now arrange our how high you want it to be. I think this is high enough for me. What about you? If it is too high, you can just bend it down. Some people like high gele, some like it cute, not too high. Your preference. But see the pleats. I hope the camera can zoom it in. You see the pleats. You see. You see. You can just arrange the way you want. I did not miss any step because I want us to learn, to know it. And we will see you at the party and I won't say, "Tush, madam," right? Easy peasy. You can do it yourself. And when you're doing it, make sure to count the number of your pin. The first one, when you first make the V, you put a knot. When you try to style this, you put another pin here, another pin here. So in total, I use 5 pins because when you want to remove it, you have to know the number of pins in it. I love you all. Please watch all my videos, subscribe, tell friends, and we'll be doing more edges tutorial. Easy peasy.